Hi folks, welcome to Barb Makes Things. Today I make a tedious task a little less tedious with a tale about a unicorn.
Barb Makes Things!
There was once a soldering unicorn named Sparkles who liked to do electronics and who was very, very curious. One day she was wandering through the woods following a moth who had made a passing comment about platonic solids. She tried to engage him in conversation, but as you frequently find with moths, he kept mum on details. After a few hours, just as Sparkles was ready to give up and turn back, something caught her attention. Ahead, rising above the trees, was a massive structure. Sparkles was dumbfounded. It was the long-rumored, but never before witnessed, Dodecahedron. She wandered around the base of the structure, staring in awe at the scale of it, nearly 250 feet tall. What kind of creature would take on construction of an absurd creation like this one? Surely they must be mad. Sparkles noticed that the vertices of the dodecahedron were beset by a yellow residue. This was not normal. Residue like this should not have been allowed to settle. But little did Sparkles know the complicated method of construction employed. Surely this residue was a grave concern. But as she watched, creatures from the forest emerged to try and help. First, the plain crawlers with their single sharp tooth attempted to remove the yellow blight, but they were unsuccessful. Next, the blue-tailed chisel claw chipped away with all of its might, to little effect. Finally, a plaid pocket blade bird slowly sliced at the residue and loosely evened out the rough edges. Sparkles climbed the structure and explored. Why was this here? Had others seen it? Were there creatures climbing around inside of the beams? Just as Sparkles reached the top, a shudder racked the dodecahedron. "Grrr," said the wild millwalk, who had settled onto the side of the structure.
What are you doing?
Cried Sparkles.
You'll tear the dodecahedron apart!
But the millwalk ignored her and continued to growl and gnaw at the structure. Sparkles quickly tried to brace herself from the vibrations the millwalk was creating. Whoop, whoop.
Ah!
When Sparkles came to, the millwalk was sitting next to the dodecahedron, no longer eating at the side of the structure.
Hey, why are you trying to destroy the dodecahedron?
Oh no, dear. This is one of the many services I provide here in the forest. I eat the yellow residue, you see. It's quite tasty. Take a look outside. Sparkles got up and looked around. The millwalk had indeed eaten away the yellow residue, and it even smoothed out the work of the plaid pocket blade bird.
Wow, it looks really nice out here, mostly.
Yes, it isn't perfect. Shall we dance?
Yes!
And they danced around the dodecahedron and had a lovely afternoon. The end. Next time I'll start working on how to attach the drums to the frame. If you like this video, share it with a friend. If you didn't, share it with an enemy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to take a look at some of my other builds and how-tos. There are a lot of them. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you click the little bell, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you'd like to get videos a little early and support my channel, you can visit my Patreon page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.